Most people don't even have this button visible. It looks like a broken sensor icon. But with just one tap, it can block your camera, microphone, and other sensors from being accessed by apps. This feature is called Sensors Off. It's an Android privacy and developer feature that lets you disable access to the phone's sensors from a single quick setting button. That includes the camera, microphone, gyroscope, and other sensors depending on your device. So here's what happened. Turn on sensors off. Now, if an app tried to access to the camera, it will not be able to use it normally. And if an app try to record through the microphone, it will receive silence. So with one tap, you can basically put your phone sensors into privacy mode. You may not see sensors off in your quick setting. That's because it's hidden inside developer options. Go to Setting and to About Phone, then Software Information, then find Build Number and tap it 7 times. Your phone will enable developer options. Now go back to Developer Options and the Quick Setting Developer. Look for Sensors Off and turn it on. Then open your Quick Setting panel, find the new option Sensors Off, and you're ready to use it. Just remember, this is a powerful switch. Did you know this hidden Android feature before? Tell me in the comment.